We live through very uncertain times. Yes, gas prices are through the roof, food very expensive, but what if I tell you that you can still find ways to make money? Look at the money I made on eBay from making a software with AI, 100% free. We're making some decals for a car installation. So of course, make sure you stay until the end and like this video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another series of Working Smart with me. So I am here at Walmart's parking lot and I'm about to show you one of my secrets of how I managed to make $900 from a very cheap item that you can find here. Everything that I'm about to show you, you can find it in one spot. And yeah, so let's go inside and see what we find. But of course, first I'm gonna check out my weight. Look at this, guys. Just a few months ago, I was 250 pounds. I lost more than 22 or 23 pounds. I'm gonna show you another side hustle that I have in mind, an idea of an app that helped me lose this weight, but that's for another episode. So make sure you subscribe and of course stay tuned. Now, what exactly it is that make me $900? As you are watching here on the screen, I have made that much money by selling flags on eBay, just on eBay. I also have an account on Etsy.com, which is a very popular website to sell handmade products. So if you want to make flags like I do, all you need is a sewing machine, and you can find this at your grandma's basement, guys. You can probably have it on your garage sitting there getting dust and you didn't even know about that. Or you can buy it for $300 here at Walmart, but to be honest, I'm gonna leave some links below so you can get it way cheaper on Amazon. Plus, it will help me support this channel. I really appreciate it. So all you need is to learn the basics on how to stitch. You can find a lot of tutorials out there on YouTube. You can find literally a lot of tutorials there. I don't have any tutorials on my channel, but that's because there's plenty of it. I just show you the potential of how much money you can make with this sewing machine. All you need is some thread. All you need is some like fabric. You can get it for barely $4. Thread is barely $3. And of course the sewing machine, and you need some scissors. However, if you don't have one at home, most of us have a pair of scissors at home, but if you don't have one, you can also get them here on Walmart for, you know, just a couple of dollars. It is a really cheap investment for all the money that you guys can make. And again, I made $900 in just 90 days. Now, you're gonna ask me, what's the point? It's not that much money. Well, who's gonna give you $900 from sitting at home at your own time, you know, just as hobby or side hustle from home, just drinking coffee, relaxing, your own schedule? Who's gonna give you that much money? That's worth a month's rent, guys. That's just 90 days, which is 3 months. So I mean, there's a lot of potential. It's good money for selling just flags and from home, just from some fabric. Once you learn how to use your machine, then you can produce these flags. And this is how much money in cash I have right now from all these flags that I made. Plus I have more ready to go, so that way when they sell, they're just sitting there waiting to be sold. That's another one of the best things about making flags, is that it's a product that doesn't go bad, or you have a limited time to sell it because they're gonna rotten. No, actually it's better if they last longer, because I sell this product as vintage style. That's one of the trends that people are looking a lot on eBay, Etsy. They don't have to be original, just like make it handmade. That's what people are looking for on those websites. So that's really good money, guys. I mean, it's just from some, you know, a few dollars from the fabric. Thread is really cheap, and the machine is perhaps only the biggest investment, but like I say, you probably have a sewing machine at home just sitting there, you know, getting dust, and you didn't know you can make that much money from home. So here's an idea, guys. And again, I'm doing this from home because I'd rather do this than go back to my work or my job and deal with my coworkers, with my boss, my schedule. So much drama, guys. I mean, come on. It's good money. It's just one side hustle from the very many that I do. So I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I just wanted to post this quick video to show you the potential, because I really making more than just 900. I'm gonna reveal how much I made in a year, how much I made throughout, you know, from the beginning of 2026 to now, which is a half a year now. So stay tuned, because this series are gonna keep going. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like. That's very important for me. And of course, I will show you more side hustles that don't have to do with making flags or, you know, just sewing machine, but also other side hustles or other things that I have done in the past. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next episode.